Muzammil from Kashmir.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, Sheikh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Sheikh, some people claim Adolf Hitler was a good person simply because he killed many Jews. And they argue that Jews are enemies of Islam. Is this view correct according to the teachings of Islam? And what should be the proper Islamic attitude towards such historical figures and events? Jazakumullahu khair.
This is sick logic. It's like saying Satan is a good person because he managed to take a lot of the disbelievers to hell by derailing them and diverting them from the straight path into hell. This is sick. Hitler was a dictator, a murderer, and just because he killed our enemies does not make him an ally. As Muslims, we judge people for who they are. He's a disbeliever, and he did heinous things and things that normal humans would not accept. And not all Jews are evil. Among the Jews, there are good people. There are lots of rotten people. So among the Muslims, there are lots of good people and there are rotten people. Why would we paint everyone with the same brush? It's unfair. We have to come back to reality and judge things through the spectrum of Qur'an and Sunnah, to see what pleases Allah and what angers Allah. But simply to come to a tyrant and say, well, he did this and that to our enemies, so he's number one. No, it's not at all the case, and Allah knows best.